In this video, you're going to learn how to create your account on Twitter. So to get started, go to twitter.com, and if you're brand new, we really want to be filling up this box here that says sign up. So if you were signing up for a business account, well then you really want to put in your business name. I'll just put in demo for the moment. And then you want to put in your business email address. And then you really want to go ahead and create a strong password for yourself. So we've got our details here, then we just click sign up. Then you'll be asked to fill in a phone number. You can do that if you want, or go ahead and click skip. The next step then is to choose a username. And the great thing is that you can always change this later, so don't worry about it too much. But you may see this option here if you put in your own name or a business name that this username is already taken. So you may need to be a little bit creative here about how to adjust this. You will get some suggestions down here, but it's probably best off to ignore these because you don't want a big string of numbers in your username. So you can try out a different thing, couple of things. You could maybe put in something like the official. Afterwards, that may be taken. You can put in things like HQ, or you can just add maybe another word at the start or the end until you find something that is really going to be free. So once you're happy with your username, you can just click next, and remember again, you can always change this later on. So we're glad you're here. Let's go. Now you'll be asked what you're interested in, and you can just select a couple of these things here: technology, tech news, let's see, and then really continue there. You can add your friends to Facebook if you want from Gmail or Outlook. If you want to do that, you can. I'm just going to click no thanks. Then you can really start to follow some accounts. I'm just going to unselect these, and we should be able to just continue through there. And here we go. They kind of have a tour where you can go in and they'll walk you through the process. For now, I'll just skip that. You'll also see that you'll need to confirm your email in order to get set up. But that's really it. That is how you create your account for your personal brand or a business on Twitter. It's the first step in getting in front of the 300 million active monthly users on Twitter. So now that you know how to set up your Twitter account, go ahead and do it for yourself, following the steps that you've learned in this video.